Do these capabilities scare you, excite you? Like, how do you think about, again, people having these tools to now create and automate parts of their job to maybe take the hands off the wheel a little bit?
I think it's equal parts scares me and excite me, to be honest with you, because the exciting part is like, I mean, y- probably all of us are inundated all the time with like somebody trying to sell us something on LinkedIn, and there's always like a latest software that does X, Y, or Z. And you go through the process and you're like, this does 80% of what I want, but nothing. I have to buy two to get to the like combination of 100%. So, this idea that like people can build the exact system that they need and they can leave off the bells and whistles that they don't want to use, and therefore we shouldn't have to pay for, and they can make sure does exactly what they want. So, like that is exciting. The scary part is like how do you manage it, and how do you make sure that there's not just like a bunch of wild west, creep of where your data is and where it's going and how it's used and all this type of stuff. So, figuring out how to get it right is like the new frontier of risk management. But I think that it's, in theory, there's just so much more possibility of what people can do if they can build their own tools.